Alright, so here's our first turkey breast. It's all ready to go. It temped out right where it's supposed to be, you know. According to the FDA, it's 165, so we'll go with that. But, you know, I'm not going to tell you when and when to not pull your turkeys and your chicken breast. But, you know, typically you can be okay at 150, really, in my experience. But who am I to judge? You know, pull it whenever you want to pull it. 165 is 165. That's what the government tells us. But you know, this one's ready to go. And on that note, also with thighs, you know, thigh meat, dark meat, those you really want to cook longer. Chicken wings, those you want to get between 175 and 185, really. That's where the cartilage and all the collagen inside the actual meat starts to actually melt down and makes it moist. So just a fun fact. A lot of people don't realize that. But here's turkey breast. This is the one that we put just salt and pepper on. So I'm trying to pull this out, but then I also want to save these juices if I can. And the reason why I want to save the juices is so that I can pour them on top of the meat, pour the butter on the meat as it's being served. You know, I'll just slice it going this way, nice and thin, just horizontally all the way across. I don't really want to slice it just yet, but there it is. Looks great, nice color. It's going to taste delicious, and again, just slicing just like this, a little bit at a time, should turn out very well. Anyways, if you like this video, please continue to come back and watch for more content. I'll continue to post more videos. Please just like and subscribe, and that's all that I need to get this channel going and to keep it going. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hey, I'm back. So actually I decided I'm going to go ahead and just carve this turkey and show you all what it looks like, so everybody can see. So I'll just put the pieces in here. Here's my pan of butter, hot of butter that I'll be keeping warm here shortly, but I feel like we're at a spot where I can carve this and see how she looks. So we'll just start here on the end and just nice, simple, easy slices. Man, this knife is just cutting through here like butter. Like, this is so soft, so good, tender. You know, the thing about poultry in general, turkey, chicken, is they really do a nice job of just absorbing smoke and the flavor of it, which is something that I've always really liked about poultry. Just the flavors that you get from it. You don't quite get it from other cuts of meat because they just don't have that capability. They just don't absorb like a turkey does. So just like to keep all this together if I can. Go. Getting into the thick stuff right in the middle. So again, I like to just keep it nice and thin. I mean, not too thin, but not like lunch meat thin, but just normal thickness. You know, 1/4 inch or so, maybe a little bit thinner. Not quite as. I feel like I do my briskets a little bit thicker, but than when I do turkey. Hey, there it is. Looks fantastic. You know, smoke ring really isn't something you have to worry too much about. Smoke ring really, all that it does is tells you that the meat was cold when you cooked it. It doesn't actually mean anything as far as flavor goes or anything else. The colder the meat is, the larger your smoke ring is going to be. So this one does have a smoke ring. It was a little bit cold this morning, but you know, if you want to get like a really nice massive smoke ring, throw your meat on frozen. You'll get a huge smoke ring and everybody will be super impressed, but you'll find it doesn't actually make any difference to flavor. It's just a chemical reaction is all it is. So, but we're just about done with this one. Okay, there it is. Nice turkey breast all cut up and ready to go. All sliced. We'll go ahead and try this end piece here. Tastes fantastic. Tastes exactly how you would want smoked turkey to taste. Anyways, again, if you like this video, you like my channel, you like my content, please like and subscribe. I will continue to post more content, post more tips as well. I'm going to do some general barbecuing, also some general barbecuing tips for running a smoker. But also just post different meats, different tips and tricks that I've learned. And please just like and subscribe just to continue to help me and support my cause. Until next time.